Welcome to this tutorial on how to enter a referral code on Venmo in 2025. Entering a referral code on Venmo can help you earn rewards and incentives. And in this guide, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to have a Venmo account. If you do not have one, download the Venmo app and sign up for an account. Once you have an account, navigate to the menu section by tapping on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap on the Invite Friends option. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter a referral code. Tap on the Have a Referral Code option at the bottom of the screen. A new page will appear where you can enter the referral code. Enter the referral code in the provided field and tap on the Apply button. You will receive a confirmation message if the code is valid and the rewards or incentives associated with the code will be applied to your account. It is essential to note that referral codes are usually provided by existing Venmo users who want to refer their friends to the platform. You can ask a friend who uses Venmo to provide you with a referral code. You can also find referral codes on the Venmo website or on social media platforms. When entering a referral code, make sure to enter it correctly, as incorrect codes will not be accepted. Also, be aware of the terms and conditions associated with the referral code, as some codes may have expiration dates or other requirements. In conclusion, entering a referral code on Venmo is a straightforward process that can help you earn rewards and incentives. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily enter a referral code and start enjoying the benefits associated with it. Remember to always enter the code correctly and be aware of the terms and conditions associated with it.